Platform 12 for the 10:08 ScotRail service to Helensburgh via Glasgow Queen Street low level. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Uphall, Livingston North, Bathgate, Armadale, Black Ridge, Caldercrooks, Drumgelloch, Airdrie, Coatdyke, Coatbridge Sunnyside, Blair Hill, Easterhouse, Garrow Hill, Shettleston, Cantine, Belgrove, High Street Glasgow, Glasgow Queen Street low level, Charing Cross, Partick, Hindland, Dalmuir, Dumbarton East, Dumbarton Central, Dalrioch, Cardross, Craigendoran and Helensburgh. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 12 for the 10:08 ScotRail service to Helensburgh via Glasgow Queen Street low level. Platform 11 for the 10:12 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport via Carlisle. Calling at Lockerbie, Carlisle, Penrith, North Lakes, Oxenholme, Lancaster, Preston, Manchester Oxford Road, Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Airport. Platform 11 for the 10:12 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport via Carlisle. To comply with legislation and in the interests of comfort and safety, this station operates a no smoking policy. Please do not smoke on the station. Thank you for your cooperation. Platform 8 East for the 10:13 ScotRail service to Dunbar. Calling at Musselburgh and Dunbar. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 8 East for the 10:13 ScotRail service to Dunbar. Platform 16 for the 10:15 ScotRail Express service to Glasgow Queen Street via Falkirk High. Calling at Haymarket, Linlithgow, Polmont, Falkirk High, Croy and Glasgow Queen Street. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 16 for the 10:15 ScotRail Express service to Glasgow Queen Street via Falkirk High.
For yours and others' safety, whilst in Edinburgh Waverley Station, passengers are asked to wear a mask and to try and maintain a 2-metre distance between themselves and others.
Passenger announcement: it will not always be possible to maintain social distancing when the station is busy, so please wear a face covering to help avoid putting others at risk.
Security personnel to this station 24 hours a day. Your attention please. The 10:24 ScotRail service to Tweedbank has been cancelled. This is due to a train fault. Platform 13 for the 10:21 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Motherwell. Calling at Haymarket, Carstairs, Carluke, Wishaw, Motherwell and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 13 for the 10:21 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Motherwell. Platform 6 for the 10:21 Transpennine Express service to Newcastle. Calling at Morpeth and Newcastle. Platform 6 for the 10:21 Transpennine Express service to Newcastle. Platform 14 for the 10:24 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shotts. Calling at Haymarket, Slateford, Kingsnow, Wester Hales, Curry Hill, Kirknewton, Livingston South, West Calder, Addywell, Breach, Fauldhouse, Shotts, Hartwood, Cleland, Carfin, Holytown, Bells Hill, Uddingston and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 14 for the 10:24 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shotts.
In order to protect our customers, LNER has introduced a reservation-only policy on board our services until further notice. Please be aware that you will need to make a seat reservation before you travel today. Reservations can be made up to 5 minutes before departure by visiting our website or at any of our travel centres. Please remember that you must wear a face covering at all times when travelling on public transport unless you are exempt from doing so. We also ask that you keep your distance from others. We've enhanced our cleaning regime on our trains and our stations, and all services and toilets are regularly cleaned. To protect social distancing, please stand well back from doors until others have left the train. When you board, please sit in your assigned seat as shown on your seat reservation. All seat reservations have been allocated to ensure you remain socially distanced from the next customer.
Platform 2 for the 10:30 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. Calling at Berwick-upon-Tweed, Newcastle, Darlington, York and London King's Cross. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Platform 2 for the 10:30 LNER Azuma service to London King's Cross. Platform 13 for the 17:38 ScotRail service to Helensburgh via Glasgow Queen Street low level. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Uphall, Livingston North, Bathgate, Armadale, Black Ridge, Caldercrooks, Drumgelloch, Airdrie, Coatdyke, Coatbridge Sunnyside, Blair Hill, Easterhouse, Shettleston, Carntine, Belgrove, High Street Glasgow, Glasgow Queen Street low level, Charing Cross, Partick, Hindland, Dalmuir, Dumbarton East, Dumbarton Central, Dalrioch, Cardross, Craigyendoran and Helensburgh. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 13 for the 17:38 ScotRail service to Helensburgh via Glasgow Queen Street low level. The next bus to depart from outside the station will be the 17:42 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central, calling at Haymarket, Slateford, Kingsnow, Westerhales, Curryhill, Kirknewton, Carstairs, Carluke, Wishaw, Motherwell and Glasgow Central. Outside the station for the 17:42 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central. Platform 11 for the 17:45 ScotRail Express service to Glasgow Queen Street via Falkirk High, calling at Haymarket, Linlithgow, Polmont, Falkirk High, Crawley and Glasgow Queen Street. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 11 for the 17:45 ScotRail Express service to Glasgow Queen Street via Falkirk High. Platform 10 for the 17:49 ScotRail service to Stirling, calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Falkirk Grahamston, Camlin, Larbert and Stirling. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Change at Stirling for services to Reggivallen and Dunblane. Platform 10 for the 17:49 ScotRail service to Stirling. Platform 2 for the 17:52 ScotRail service to Tweedbank, calling at Brunston, Newcraig Hall, Shawfair, Westbank, Newton Grange, Gore Bridge, Stow, Galashiels and Tweedbank. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Please note that services are subject to delay because of a fault with the signalling system earlier today near Dunbar. Every effort is being made to restore services to normal as quickly as possible. Please listen for further announcements. Platform 14 for the 17:56 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shotts, calling at Haymarket, Slateford, Kingsnow, Westerhales, Curryhill, Kirknewton, Livingston South, West Calder, Addywell, Breach, Fauldhouse, Shotts, Hartwood, Cleland, Carfin, Holytown, Bells Hill, Uddingston, Cambuslang and Glasgow Central. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 14 for the 1756 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central via Shotts. Platform 8 East for the 1803 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street via Cumbernauld. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Linlithgow, Polmont, Falkirk Grahamston, Camlin, Cumbernauld, Green Falls, Gatcosh, Steps, Rob Royston, Springburn and Glasgow Queen Street. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 8 East for the 1803 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street via Cumbernauld. Platform 9 East for the 1807 CrossCountry service to Birmingham New Street. Calling at Dunbar, Berwick upon Tweed, Alnmouth, Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield, Westgate, Sheffield, Chesterfield, Derby, Burton-on-Trent, Tamworth and Birmingham New Street. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 9 East for the 1807 cross-country service to Birmingham New Street. Platform 19 for the 1812 cross-country service to Aberdeen. Calling at Haymarket, Dundee and Aberdeen. This train is formed of 5 coaches. An at-seat service of light refreshments is available on the train. First class accommodation is at the front of the train. Platform 4 for the 1814 ScotRail service to North Berwick. Calling at Musselburgh, Walliford, Preston Pans, Longnidry, Drem and North Berwick. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 4 for the 1814 ScotRail service to North Berwick. Platform 13 for the 1824 ScotRail service to Garscadden via Glasgow Queen Street low level. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Uphall, Livingston North, Bathgate, Armadale, Blackridge, Caldercrooks, Drumgelloch, Airdrie, Coatdyke, Coatbridge Sunnyside, Blair Hill, Easterhouse, Shettleston, Cantine, Belgrove, High Street Glasgow, Glasgow Queen Street low level, Charing Cross, Partick, Hindland and Garscadden. This train is formed of 6 coaches. Platform 13 for the 1824 ScotRail service to Garscadden via Glasgow Queen Street low level. Platform 15 for the 1826 ScotRail service to Glenrothes with Thornton. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Gateway, Dalmeny, North Queensferry, Inverkeithing, Rosyth, Dunfermline Town, Dunfermline Queen Market, Cowdenbeath, Lochgelly, Cardenden and Glenrothes with Thornton. This train is formed of 2 coaches. Platform 15 for the 1826 ScotRail service to Glenrothes with Thornton. Platform 5 for the 1830 LNER Reservation service to Newcastle. Calling at Berwick upon Tweed and Newcastle. This train is formed of 9 coaches. Platform 5 for the 1830 LNER Reservation service to Newcastle. The next train to arrive at platform 19 will be the 1835 LNER Reservation service to Aberdeen. Calling at Haymarket, Inverkeithing, Kirkcaldy, Lookers, Dundee, Arbroath, Montrose, Stonehaven and Aberdeen. This train is formed of 9 coaches. First class accommodation is available on the train.
We clean our stations daily with antiviral disinfectant. Let's travel safely together.
Platform 11 for the 1105 cross-country service to Bristleton Meads. Calling at Dunbar, Berwick upon Tweed, Alnmouth, Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, York, Leeds, Wakefield, Street, Sheffield, Chesterfield, Derby, Archmont-Trent, Birmingham New Street, Cheltenham Spa, Gloucester, Newport, Bristol Parkway and Bristol Temple Meads. This train is formed of 11 coaches. This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it. Say it. Sorted. Platform 9 for the 1400 LNER Azuma service to Doncaster. Calling at Alnmouth, Newcastle, Durham, Darlington, York and Doncaster. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 9 for the 1400 LNER Azuma service to Doncaster.